wasn't paying attention. He's paying attention to the bird. Isaac, float! Look at him.
Tell him to float.
Isaac, float! Go back like this.
He can't hear you. Go up there and tell him.
Isaac, float! Go back like this. Go back. Relax. Go Relax. Go good. Like a yo-yo. There you go. There you go. Look at him.
He's floating.
Teeth are shattered.
There you go, floating.
There you go. Now Isaac, put your face